Hi, sweet friends. How's everyone doing? Happy Monday. It's Sunday for me, I'll be honest. I am batch filming today. Terry and I are having a day at home, but I hope everyone had a great weekend. My name is Tara. Welcome to Our Simplistic Life. Guys, I am not a coffee drinker, like hardly ever, except for the cold months. Like I'm here for, you know, when it starts getting chilly, I want coffee. But here we are. Happy fall. I'm in my cozy sweatshirt. It's been just a cozy day. I got my sweatpants on, my hair in a messy bun. It's just a real life cozy day. The air conditioning's on because it is like 90 degrees outside, and I need to probably go out and get some vitamin D because I've just been chilled all day this morning since I woke up, and I've been having a hard time waking up today. I don't know what is wrong with me, but I got the laundry going, you know, just trying to get the ball rolling. As far as, you know, you usually can create momentum if you start one task, it'll just kind of follow suit. But no, I got the laundry started. Cheers. That's as far as we've got. So I'm thinking I'm going to just stop and just chill today. I think my body's telling me I need to slow my roll. Terry and I pressure washed our house Friday and Saturday. It took us 2 days because we're old and we're not in the best of shape. And so we did the front on Friday and then the back on Saturday, and we are wiped out. All right, so let's get going. We have Ellie on Earth, Willow Tree Budgets, Julie Pages, Paula Budgets, Isabel Gigi, and Chatty Budgets. And this is Tierra's birthday month. She will be 2 on August 25th. Cannot believe it. My baby is growing up. So we are doing everything's puppies, and yes, she is my baby and her daddy's baby. We did not leave her. Let's talk about Tierra during this video. So we got her at 5 weeks. She's our little miracle baby. She was in a bad situation. I found her on Craigslist, and we didn't realize how bad the situation was until we took her to the vet. And I am not going to, well, you know what? I'll go into a little bit of detail about this. This is fine. If you have a queasy stomach, you might want to just fast forward this little part. But in her bowel movements, she was having worms like all puppies do. And so we took her to the vet. We didn't realize that she was 5 weeks old either. The lady told me that she was 4 weeks old. And not 4 weeks old, 6, I just rolled a 4. 6 weeks old when we got her. I'm sorry, 8 weeks. Let me just stop doing this so I can talk. Okay, the lady told me that she was 8 weeks old whenever we got her, okay? So we took her to the vet. I called the vet. Got her in the very next week, and the doctor said that there's no way that she is 8 weeks old, that she is, you know, she's 5 to 6 weeks old, and then she only weighed 4 pounds, and she is a Chihuahua Dachshund mix, so, you know, at that time she was fine with weight. And I told him, I said, well, I've noticed some worms in her bowel movements. And he said, okay, you know, that's normal. We'll go ahead and give her a treatment. So he put the stuff in her mouth and dewormed her or whatever. And he said, I can't do anything until she's 8 weeks old. And I said, sure, no problem. And so we rescheduled for 8 weeks. Well, she continued to have live worms in her bowel movements. And so I took pictures and I called him back and I said, I can't wait 8 weeks. And she was eating, like everything was fine. Like as far as her normalcy goes, she was eating, she was playing, she was doing everything that puppies do. And except sleep. She did not sleep. And so it's like having a newborn baby. So we went, he said, okay, bring her in. So we brought her in. Just a couple days later, she had lost almost a pound with just in a few days. And so he dewormed her again. And so we took her back home. And she started kind of getting lethargic. Like it just was different. She started kind of acting a little different. So I called back and she was still having live worms. And I said, okay, I need for you guys to get her in right now. There is something wrong with her. And so we took her back. And I said, I have so many pictures of her bowel movements. I even had video. I was like, I want you to see this. He already had the syringe drew for another worming dewormer. And when he saw this picture, he threw the syringe down and goes, oh my goodness, this isn't going to do anything for her. That is a tapeworm. Now, I said, he thought he was treating her for hookworms and normal puppy worms. This was a tapeworm. And so I was, then, you think, oh gosh, you hear humans getting tapeworms. So I was like, can we get it? And he was like, no, only, this is gross, but only if you consumed her feces would you get it. And I was like, well, we're not doing that. So, we're not at risk of getting it at this time. And so he said, I have to give her a pill. She had, by this time, she was down to 3 pounds. And she was just a little nothing. And just fighting, such a little fighter. And so he got her to swallow a pill. And it went away. It was like that pill just was magic. And we prayed over her. Like her doctor was so awesome. And he wanted to see her back like 2 or 3 days later, and she had already gained half of a pound. And then so he was like, I think we're on the up. And she started, like, she just came to life. And those worms were killing her. So I asked him, I said, well, how do puppies get tapeworms? And he said, if the mother has fleas and the puppy eats the flea, that is how they get it, which means that mother is full of fleas for this to happen. So, and the mother also has tapeworms. And so I called the lady, actually I texted her, the lady who I got her from, and I said, I asked then, can you tell me exactly when she was born? And she was able to tell me the last Thursday in August. And I said, okay. I said, and so I went back and looked, and it was August 25th. And then I also told her that she needed to get that mother dog to the vet, because if not, her dog was going to pass because it's dying. Like, her dog is dying and she doesn't even realize it. And it was just a really sad situation. So our little Tierra is a fighter, and she is our baby. Like, she is in perfect health now. There is nothing. She has no issues. But she had a little rough start, and I might start getting teared up saying this, but had we not rescued her and brought her home, she might not be here. And this world would have missed out on a really awesome animal, because she is just so sweet. But that is Tierra's story. She is our little baby. She goes everywhere with us except to work. For her whole first year, she did go to work with me. And then I got the camera Furbo, which I have talked so much about Furbo. If you have fur babies and you are scared to leave them, you need to get a Furbo. It's the best thing. It's expensive on the front end, but so worth it. And it tells me everything she's doing throughout the day. And we have $4 in Chatty Cathy budgets. It's great, and it gives me peace of mind to leave her here by herself when we're not here. But other than that, she's not left. She goes everywhere with us. And if we have somewhere to be that she can't go, one of us stays behind. We don't leave her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She is our little baby. All right, so Julie budgets gets 10, so we're gonna color in 5. But that's our little baby. Three, 4. Alrighty, so Julie's pages has 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4. $24. Alrighty. This is Isabel Gigi. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, let's see here. I think I'm going to make these just $1 so we can move along. So I have so many challenges. And that does not show up. Let's try orange. Yeah. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 2 left over. So we can ding ding. I think I have another one of hers. Let me see, I'm up at 12. Down here. And push this aside. Let me see what I have for her. I think I had another. Oh yeah, Isabel Gigi. All right. And then Willow Tree budgets got 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do each of these $1. One, 2, 3, 4. This is so cute. A little birthday hat. All right, so so 4 in there. And then Ellie on Earth got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll do 8. And we'll put 2 aside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to get through all my little puppy challenges for little Miss Tierra. All right, so let's see if we have another Ellie on Earth. Let's see who this one is. Paula. No, we'll do Glow. Yeah, we'll do Glow budgets. So cute. All right, and then Paula budgets has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're gonna color in 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so we got 8. Come on. All right, I'm just gonna leave that out. All right, let's see. Let me see how much we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So not that one. Could do 2 on here. Or another row on here. Let's do 2 on here. One, 2. So we'll add $4 more to Julie Pages. All right, so we have Julie Pages, Chatty Cathy budgets, Isabel Gigi Glow budgets, Willow Tree budgets, and Paula budgets. So let's see, let me put these down here. So this is our lineup for next week. Alrighty, so we have that. And then we finished Ellie on Earth and an Isabel Gigi. So we're gonna put this into our Dunzo. And that's done. Alright guys, I hope all of y'all have a blessed day. Be safe. God bless you all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.